How do you say, do you speak English in French? If you want to ask somebody if they speak English, you can say, Parlez-vous anglais? Parlez-vous anglais? It's a nice, polite way to ask, do you speak English? Excusez-moi, parlez-vous anglais? Excusez-moi, parlez-vous anglais? Excuse me, do you speak English? You can change anglais to any language. So parlez-vous anglais means do you speak English? Parlez-vous espagnol? Parlez-vous espagnol? Do you speak Spanish? Parlez-vous italien? Parlez-vous italien? Do you speak Italian? You'll notice how the languages don't have capital letters in French, unlike in English. Parlez-vous is the formal way of asking do you speak, but if you want to use the informal way, you say parles-tu. Parles-tu anglais? Parles-tu anglais? Do you speak English? If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Parler comes from the late Latin word parabolare, which meant to talk, or literally to speak in parables. That root also gave us the word parable in English, which is a spoken story. We also get words like parlour, which was originally a room for speaking, and parliament, a place for speaking your thoughts. So you can see how they all have links with the French word parler, which means to speak.